Sending simulated keystrokes in Bash. I've recently been trying to write a script that can be used to automate my C++ program in Bash. If you know AutoIt, I can simply show you an example of what I am trying to do. Or OK for those who do not speak AutoIt. The first example sends a simulated 1 keystroke followed by an enter CR. The second example sends Alt-A. I'm specifically trying to do this in Bash. No other scripting language will do. Also, I would not prefer a spoonfeed. Please specify how to write it. No writing the script for me is allowed.
To feed text into a program stem, use pipes and/or redirection. In case of interactive CLI programs, not full terminal ones, it is possible to use named pipes or coprocessors as a sort of poor man's expect, which you ruled out due to being TCL. Be careful when reading from the output pipe, for example, head -1 and LT, out, won't just read one line, it'll buffer one full 4K block, print one line, discard the rest.
You're looking for xdotool. xdotool's equivalent of your example commands are
A favorite of mine is Mux. Warning, some level of spoon feeding here, though the question is old enough that the original author would no doubt have completed what they originally intended. You can easily launch tmux in the background, launching an application. Tmux provides an API to send keystrokes to the application, as well as connect the application to the terminal if you want to interact with it. Example. $UID. FE253D00343211EB9984CB225A8F7D48. New session DS Super, create a new session called Super in the background, D. Note S to new session names the session. I haven't named an application to run, so a shell is launched. Send keys T super column command enter, send the keystrokes. Tmux understands many keywords like enter, page up, escape, etc., otherwise sending UTF and raw codes via, send keys T super column $command \n, also works. Note the T refers to a target which includes, session, column, window id, column, pane hash. Since I have only the default window and pane, I leave them blank and refer only to the session. If I know there were no other sessions running, I could leave out T entirely. Capture pane T super column S, start, E, end, P, copies the contents of the window. By default, panes are captures to internal buffers you can save, or paste to other windows. The P causes the contents to be piped to the screen. Note the captured data can be much longer than a screenful. The best part is, if you have left the application or session running, Funcs attached T super column will drop you into the running session so you can interact with the application. Many people use tmux to launch long-running interactive programs as a background service they can attach to later, or as part of an automated test solution.